Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you need to find the relay for the radiator fan, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. Actually, you may have up to 3 relays. We'll explain about that. We'll explain how you can test relays, where you can buy new relays from, and if your radiator fan still doesn't work, we'll explain what else could be causing that. So all that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage will be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On Dodge Challenger we'll have even more. We'll be taking completely apart engines, transmission, we'll be fixing almost anything, guys. And if you have any questions or you want to see a specific video, just drop a comment below. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. If you need to buy any parts for your Dodge, fuses, relays for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can save a ton of money. Specifically, we have a 2018 Dodge Challenger that we'll be working on. Let's go ahead, open the hood. Perfect. What we have here, 3.6 the V6 engine, but even if you have a V8, the procedure will be about the same. We guys have 3 fuses that we need to check now, so let's talk about 3 relays, excuse me. Well, let's talk about that now. We have the fuse box here. We have one notch here, one that side. You squished over to each other, pull up, we flip it on the side, and here fuse numbers and relays correspond to what we have specifically here, so that's great. Now, which relay you need to check, guys? For the radiator fan, number 1 relay that you will need to check, that relay right here. This relay is very important, guys. Check this one. We will have a video that will teach you how to test relays and fuses. Check out the link in the description of the video below and you can find out about that. If you need to buy one, we'll put the link as well if you need help, guys, with finding relay for a good price as well. Now, the other relays now, okay, where they're located. We're talking about relay, this relay right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th relay right here, that's for a radiator fan as well. And after that, you have one more, this relay here. So practically, you guys have this relay here, and then you have this one. These 3 relays needs to be checked. Now, if your radiator fan still doesn't work and you checked all these relays, we have a special video that explains why radiator fan doesn't work on Dodge Challenger. Check it out. It will teach you everything that you need to know and how to diagnose it. Also, we will have a video that is called how to test radiator fan on Dodge Challenger, and it will teach you how to do that too. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.